guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know what you're thinking, another pumpkin spice latte recipe, but today we're going to be making this rich pumpkin butter, and it can be used in so many different ways. Stay tuned to see how quick and easy this is.
Mes yeux fermés, première étoile, couchée sous la lune, es-tu là?
We're starting off by making the pumpkin butter. This is a 1/4 cup of water going into my small saucepan. This is going to be brought up to a simmer with a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of sugar is going in, and all of those delicious fall spices. Cinnamon, ground ginger, some nutmeg, and some ground cloves. Bring this all up to a simmer and mix it until the spices are fully incorporated and all that sugar is dissolved. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post new recipes every other day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss out on them. Once the syrup is lightly simmering, I'm then going to be adding 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, and I'm going to stir this around until it's fully heated. All of this could be done in the microwave too if you like. Now this pumpkin butter is finished. Wasn't that quick and easy? This taste is so delicious on toast or blended with milk and vanilla ice cream. But now we're going to be making the famous pumpkin spice latte. Make some black coffee as you normally would. Today I'm using a very simple instant Nescafe. Pour the black coffee halfway full into your cup and fill the other half with some hot milk. You're then gonna add a spoonful of that pumpkin butter and give it a good mix until it's fully incorporated inside. Of course, this will then get topped off with some fresh whipped cream and some pumpkin pie spice, and that's pretty much it, guys. Your warm and delicious latte is ready. How will you use this recipe? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys next time.